We now have guinea fowl here at our homestead for a couple of years and we love them. They're really known for their ability to eradicate insects, including ticks, and they can eat thousands of them. So that is actually the original reason we got them here at our homestead. And there are really 4 different common breeds of guinea fowl. So today we're going to talk about those top 4 guinea fowl breeds and which one might be best for you. This is also the first of a compilation of guinea fowl content coming out on the channel. So definitely, if you're interested in guinea fowl, hit that subscribe button because we're going to be coming out with a few different videos on what types of food they like to eat, how you can add them to your coop with your chickens so that you can have other poultry with your guinea hens, and honestly, so much more. So definitely hit that subscribe button if you're interested in guinea fowl content. The best breed for beginners is going to be the helmeted guinea fowl, and they really started off in Africa. They would go ahead and follow around herds of animals and dig through their dung for insects. So they were helping the herds because they would eradicate the insects, but then they also got a really great food source. Now, this actually brings them to today, which is why a lot of people want guinea fowl. It's because they're going to eradicate a lot of the insects, and they're known to really eat a lot of ticks, which is why we purchased guinea fowl for our homestead. They're really well known for their dotted, speckle-like look, as well as their renowned dinosaur-like heads. So definitely, they're going to stand out from the rest of the pack, and they're pretty good at laying eggs. These are a seasonal egg layer, so there's going to be seasons when they actually lay eggs versus not. So primarily laying in the summer as compared to the winter when they will stop breeding or stop laying their eggs. A second great breed, especially if you do have a current flock of poultry, of chicken, this is going to be a really friendly bird that you can add to your flock, and that is the lavender guinea fowl. The lavender guinea fowl is going to be known for their lavender colored plumage. I'll throw up a picture of them now. They're really beautiful, and they're usually going to lay around 60 to 100 eggs per year. Again, they are very seasonal, similar to the helmeted guinea fowl, and you're going to notice that all of the breeds that we're talking about today are going to be seasonal layers. They're going to weigh around 2 to 3 pounds as an average size bird, and they're a really great bird to add to your flock because they're also really, really beautiful. Here at our homestead, we have pearl guinea fowl. They, again, are going to weigh around 2 to 3 pounds, laying around 60 to 100 eggs per year, big seasonal layers. And this bird is really not for the city dwellers because the pearl guinea fowl is going to be a big, flighty, loud bird. They make pretty loud noises, especially when they're protecting the area. So they're very protective, a really great built-in security system for your homestead. If there's a mailman coming in or a delivery person, they're definitely going to make a noise. They usually will start to notice you as their owner. They get along really well with our chickens. We did incorporate them once our chickens were full grown, and we brought them in as Keats, which is a baby guinea fowl. So we did bring them in later on, and they've really become the protectors of the chickens. So if there are any predators coming in, they honestly have actually risked their lives. We started off with 8 guinea fowl, and we now have 4 just because they will put their lives out for protection of their family, of their flock. Really great bird if you're looking for that. Also a really great bird if you're looking for a reduction in your insects, especially those ticks or bugs that you don't really want around because they're going to be great at eradicating them. And a fun fact, you can actually even let them in your garden because they're most likely going to be eating weeds, not so much your fruits, vegetables, and plants that you want to eat. So they can really help eradicate any garden bugs as well, which is really great for our gardeners. An off-breed of the pearl guinea fowl is going to be the white guinea fowl. So they were actually bred 4,000 years ago by the Egyptians. They started off with the pearl guinea fowl, and this is an adaptation to them because you'll notice that they have a beautiful white color to them. They again are going to have a lot of the same characteristics of the other guinea fowls, weighing around 2 to 3 pounds, laying around 60 to 100 eggs per year. It's going to be a very seasonal egg. And you're going to notice that similar to the pearl guinea fowl, they're very alert, they're great at foraging, and they're going to be a great protector security system for your house, as well as they look really beautiful. Now, these are the 4 most common breeds of guinea fowl. Which one do you think you want to add to your homestead? Comment down below. I'd love to hear it. And remember to subscribe if you're interested in learning more about guinea fowl this month, because we're going to be posting a lot more videos. Thank you and have a good one.